you know that before refrigerators, ancient Russian and Finnish communities had a unique method for keeping milk fresh? They used brown frogs, specifically ran a temporaria, placing them directly into the milk. A 2013 study revealed that the proteins produced by the frog's skin, like brevin and 1-TB, possess antibacterial properties that inhibit bacterial growth. This remarkable discovery highlights how these communities ingeniously utilized natural resources for food preservation long before modern technology emerged.